Y'all wanna make some churros? Today I'm partnering with Now Foods to teach you how to make some healthier churros. Don't worry, they're still fried, crispy goodness. We're just gonna make them a little less unhealthy. So the first thing we're gonna do is bring our water, monk fruit, salt, and coconut oil into a boil. You're gonna take it off the heat, add the flour, and make some dough. Go ahead and put a pan back on your eye and fill it up with that quart of liquid coconut oil. You're gonna let that get to about 350 so that you can fry your churros. Form little balls to cook your churro bites into. Throw your balls in very gently and cook them until they're golden brown. Once your churros are done cooking, you can take them out and put them on a paper towel while you make your cinnamon mixture. You're just gonna throw your cinnamon and your monk fruit together and mix them well. Now's the fun part. Toss those churros into the cinnamon mixture and voila, you have delicious churros. That's so good.